Good morning, everybody. Andy from Motorcades and Coffee. I am Motorcades and Coffee. I am on day 8 or 9 of my trip. I'm at PEI. I'm going to explore PEI today. I have something a little special that I really want to do. I am going to go out and do some other things, see some lighthouses and so forth. But I'm going to do something special that Alan ADV pointed out. He said he's never been. But I'm gonna go. All right, so beautiful riding day, 29 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna guess 80 degrees Fahrenheit out. So it's midday, and well, I am gonna get to the lighthouse. I wanted to do this first, and you'll see what we're gonna do. Okay, I think we are here. This is what Eric told me about. There it is, Pinball-rama. I don't know if it's open. It is not open. Ah, bummer. All right, well, Steven's Pinball-rama was going to fit with my channel. Sorry I can't bring it to you. Now we'll figure how to get to the lighthouse.
Okay, like I said, beautiful day out. I've looked up my map. In Charlottetown, I've decided there's 2 routes really to get there. Eric said I'm going to go on the northern coast and try and get to the lighthouse, and we'll see where it gets us today. Okay, MCC crew, the road shifted a bit. Seeing all sorts of, I'm on a small road, it's not a lot of traffic, a lot of offshoots. Wonder if I'm gonna try and get some of these side roads and just see where they take me. Yeah, you can see the red dirt. Yep, cool.
Oh, wow, look at this. Look at this. Hey. Hello. Yep, thank you. Got another bike there. Woo-hoo-hoo. So cool. How you doing? Good. Woohoo! Wow, that was beautiful. I think we got some more beautiful things to see, so we're gonna keep going. And then we can always come back. That was amazing. I think there's lots of boats there. I can't pronounce it. Something beach, not bars, beach. And definitely dropped down and stopped. All right, everybody, this is that famous red dirt road. I've been getting my bike pretty covered here. Now this is pretty sandy. I feel it. Oh, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Woo! It is really sandy. So we just need to keep it slow but steady. 2 kilometers of this. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Yes. Let the bike go where it wants to a little bit. There are some lines. Five kilometers of this. Wow, now it got warmer though. We'll take it. I think the sun's bouncing off this red dirt. It's so unstable. I tied it as tight as I could with that thing. I don't know if this will work. Give one more tie, who knows. It's gonna make it go a little bit off, but good enough, right? Okay. All right, getting a little warm. Get there. Camera still looks like it's going. 8 kilometers. Okay, well, 8 kilometers. All right, let's go. Very thin. Great sand, here we go. Yep, great sand. It helps that I look really far ahead. That's all I gotta say. Whoa, yeah! Go Pan Am. What do we got up here? I hope you're still going. Whoa! Whoa! Isn't it beautiful? Hi, birdie. What a blast! Quite literally. Still squirrely. Still squirrely. Now where are we going? Hold on. I'm gonna go left to go, let's go right. East Point. Oh, are you kidding me? Wow, look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. All right. Five kilometers. This island does continue to surprise me. There's the south coast. Charter. End of the line, ladies and gentlemen. Lighthouse Road. Legit lighthouse, looks like it's under some work. Sorry. Whew. East Point Lighthouse. Alright, let's go check it out. There's parking's there. Woo. Alright, we are here. East Point Lighthouse. Alright. Here we are. Wow. Time to go get the drone out. Alright, so I made it to, was it East Point? We're with Karam here. He's another moto vlogger, or well, soon to be.
Soon to be.
He's on a really cool KLX 250 Kawasaki. And you're from Ontario?
Ontario, Toronto.
Toronto, okay, but you've been all over.
Yeah, from Toronto to Newfoundland.
Wow. Okay, so he's doing all that kind of cool stuff. We met up at the Lighthouse. We're gonna take a quick look around. And you're about to head home, right?
I'm heading home.
Wow.
By Saturday or Sunday, I'll be home. Well, so like in 3-4 days.
And get this, you said the place you're staying, you just kind of meet people randomly every day, right?
I meet randomly, and I'm camping most of the time too, right?
Yeah, okay.
Or like sleeping outside or whatever. But I meet people and they feel a good energy, they feel a good vibe. They're like, hey, come on.
All right. All right. Very cool. Well, I want to go take a look around, Karam.
Yeah.
It was good to meet you.
Yeah, man. Nice to meet you.
All right. Have a great ride.
Yeah.
What kind of plug do you want to give?
Plug. Okay, my Instagram is develop_thy, THY_soul. So develop_thy_soul.
All right. We'll check it out.
All right, guys.
Yeah? Well, that's good, man. All you had to do is share a banana. Foghorn Building. Wow, this view does not get old. Woohoo! Glad we came up here. First of all, Lighthouse getting redone. Doesn't look as good. Whoa, smells like the ocean. Look at this. Wow. Holy moly. I'm as east as you can be. Guys, this is officially the turning around point for my journey. It's been quite a journey so far. A lot of good friends that I made and a lot of interesting people. And I'm about as east and as north as I can go. So I'm gonna head around, kind of camp for the night somewhere and figure out what's next. I made it northbound. I guess it's southbound now. Got some of that famous red dirt. The lighthouse, East Point Lighthouse. Gonna head on, get some cows ice cream. Yep, we're heading out the door and the easternmost point in Canada here in PEI. Gonna head down and get some ice cream.